Welcome to PayTraQer. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through configuring Shopify general settings within PayTraQer. Let's get started. First, log into your PayTraQer account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the gear icon and select e-commerce accounts. Next, navigate to add your e-commerce account. Here, you'll find a list of platforms to connect with PayTraQer. Select Shopify from the list. Now it'll be connected to your PayTraQer account. Once connected, click on Sync Settings in PayTraQer to access your Shopify general settings. In the general settings, you can customize various options. Let's go through each one. You can specify how sales are recorded in QuickBooks. Additionally, you have the option to automatically create customers in QuickBooks if they don't already exist. Under Product and Service settings, you can choose whether to automatically create products and services in QuickBooks. Select the product service type and specify the income account for the product services associated with your transactions. You can also specify how products are matched, either by name or scope. In the tax settings, you can enable automatic tax calculation and application for your sales and expenses. Ensure that your tax rates in PayTraQer match those in your Shopify store to avoid discrepancies. Here, you can set a common tax code that will be applied to all your transactions. This ensures consistency and accuracy in your tax reporting. Next, configure the fees details. This section allows you to specify how fees from Shopify are recorded in QuickBooks, ensuring accurate financial records. In the Payout Details section, you can choose to process the payouts or settlements. Specify the account to which the sales will be transferred. This helps in tracking the actual amounts received after fees. Lastly, configure your payment processors. You can specify how payments from different processors are recorded, ensuring that all transactions are accurately tracked. Once you've configured all the settings to your preference, don't forget to click Save. It's also a good idea to perform a test sync to ensure everything is working smoothly.